of the stream. Baby, I don't deny you're the lady of my dreams. Yeah, my life where you push me slowly up and down. Baby, let me in my mind. I feel the rhythm of the stream. Baby, I don't deny you're the lady of my dreams.
I can't believe! Gamahan na ang tanan. Groceries, rent, phone bills. It's like we're treading water. I know, right? It feels like parang nawala lang gid akong kwarta. I've been working overtime, but it's not really enough. Nalagtawag eh. Nagpataas na silang presyo sa linggo. Binuang pa ni ay. Sa una na-remember na ko. Tag-isa ka simana, makapalit na matagdaghan kayo nga po at groceries. Karon mo, hindi naman ito makabot na nag-isa ka simana, tag-isa naman kaadlaw. Wow, mahal na kayo.
I know, right? Isip kayo makita nga dito. Kumara na silang pagkaon. Hindi silang pagkaon. Palit sa pagkaon.
Governor, what can you say about the rising cost of living? People are struggling to make ends meet.
Inflation is a serious concern and we are closely monitoring the situation, taking these measures to address it.
Monetary policy to contribute to inflation, the money supply is growing.
It's a delicate balance. We're stimulating the economy without causing excessive price increases.
The central bank is expected to raise interest rate this week. This could help curb inflation, but it could also lead to higher borrowing costs for businesses and consumers.
Oh my God! I'm worried about kung sa ipasabot ni para sa ato ang struggle na gitagbayad sa ato ang mga student loans.
Maybe ipa-cut off na to ang mga non-essentials na to nga kung gapamaliton.
Raising interest rate to at least could stifle demand.
I agree, we need to find a balance between controlling the inflation and supporting the economy.
Have you considered other options like fiscal policy? The government could reduce spending, increase tax to help control inflation.
That's a possibility. We need to carefully weigh the pros and cons.
believe how much our credit card bill is. We need to cut back on spending.
I know. By next time, let's try to cook at home. Di na lang sa balay magkaon and i-avoid na to magkaon sa gawas.
Ug mangita taglain pa maagi to save money on utilities.
Governor, how effective interest rate hikes can curb inflation?
But we've seen some progress. There's still work to be done. We'll continue to monitor the situation and adjust our policies accordingly.
Ways to do for to protect consumers. People are struggled to make ends meet.
We understand the concern. Our goal is to ensure a stable and prosperous economy for all.
Ate, this look like hindi na kayo pataas ang presyo karon.
It's good news. Maybe the central bank policy are working.
Excuse me, parang nakita po na po nga naigamay ko sa ban pero isugid siya para sa ibang tao.
Ganit ka, kaya nagpapos ng presyo ka rin sa ulo ko, wala ko pa. Tapos ang budget ba, tagalin ko lang yung abot ba,
Nga ang taas na sa presyo. Mas kami po gataas po sa presyo pero isipin nga ang aming customer ma-sulit ka sa taas.
Sa lagi ka.
Our job is to manage the demands of life and ensure a healthy economy for all. It's a challenging task, but we're committed to serving the people.